Well guys, going for the third video today on my phone. I don't know if it's going to work or not. So it might come out or it might be a little bit of a short video. Just going through the back end of town now. A few people about down here.
Yeah, because I've finished school's just finished.
Oh, school just finished, so we need to get out of here. Going down towards the beach anyway. School right in the middle of town, just down there. Big school. I think it's for juniors, is it? Would it be in England?
No, I'd say.
I don't know. I'm not sure of the age group. You can see the end.
Juniors, seniors, infants. That's
No, I don't think the two are mixed. Size of might say it's juniors.
Yeah. Probably. Oh.
How are you all coping anyway out there? The lockdown. Is it strict where you are?
It's got snow. Maplefoot.
Okay. A bit more information off Marcus. Well, I was asking you now.
How is everyone?
How is the lockdown where you are? Is it strict or are they letting you get out a bit? Seen on Facebook there's been a few out playing in the snow, so I don't know. Is that just a compromise they're making? Glorious day here. It's about 22 degrees. You're thinking, cold snap we had the other day, about 3 days. That's what it hurt so much. Used to it being warm now. We get next month there and we'll start seeing the temperatures going up again. That's Benidorm for you. Go back up over there, Mark. I forgot I've already been down this way once, haven't I?
I believe so.
Yeah. Plenty of space on the beach at the moment. There's a few out when we came up, weren't there, Marcus?
No.
Okay, gonna go over this way now. Anybody remember the movie? The Good Burger.
Welcome to Good Burger, home of the Good Burger. How may I take your order?
Yeah, we do like watching some old films occasionally.
At the moment we're watching our Free Zone Pack. One of our favourite TV shows. Isn't it, Dad?
Yeah. You're getting bad to your mother, Marcus. Can't get a word in edgeways. Oh, dear. Oh, got to show the there's apparently another good curry shop. Tandoori Indian restaurant. Over the lockdown we've seen them queue outside here to get in there in the evening. I don't know whether they've shut up for now because of the hour restrictions or what's happening. But there used to be queues.
Why did I just get this smelly garlic naan bread? Just as you were
It's like somebody's
speaking
open.
about it. Oh, that's not fair.
Come over this way now to have a look, see if all the Christmas decorations have gone home. I was under the impression they left them up to the end of the month. Yeah, it looks like they've all gone down now. They definitely do leave them up longer than ours. Still a great place to come if you can get here. It's just a bit trickier getting here now with all the new restrictions, Brexit and I hope you can see that building in the middle there. That'd be great if it rotated, wouldn't it? But built in a circle. Now if that rotated round, everybody gets sun. Suppose there'll be a few arguments though if it did. Okay then, moving on. How much we got on here now? Okay guys, I'm going to end the video there. Like and subscribe as normal, and we'll see you on the next one.